Ka boripana fa ga re simolola a re simolole jalo ko midi ka gongwe jalo ko tlase gore Thabang a Godfather T ke mang o tswa ko kae?
I can sort of feel like there's a part where I don't know if I should mention it or not, but okay. I feel like Friday that's where I come from, and then I started my radio career. I don't know if I should mention the radios or.
La re sa di a se ke di mention o mo radio nye tona.
Yeah, no, I was avoiding that. But yeah, basically, that's me. I started my radio there, and then later I moved to a commercial radio station, and then later I started my own podcast. So that is how I can explain it, summarize it, actually.
A ke ka ke utlwentse ke utlwa fa mpolella ka di radio a ke ka dio tso no ntse jalo ntse di dira tsa di radio ke selo se le go ka go godilong tso batla jalo go ka se dira.
Yeah, well, you know, I can say that, but provided I'm from a village, and when you're talking about being a radio presenter, being being a newspaper, whatever, being an editor, being on TV, these careers, they are like, they are rare. It's very difficult to can find someone to look up to, So you can have it in you, but from Ubuntu, it's gonna be a bit difficult because what am I doing? Why get I doing things that are done by other people? But ultimately, I got to work on it, and it came right.
Ke bile ne santse ke tla jalo mo ntlheng ya gore ga lo simolla mo go lone le to le batsadi ba nna yang time.
Well, like I said, it's rare to find a radio presenter. Well, I can say right now it was a bit rare to find a radio presenter to can go to a radio station. There were no radio stations. It was a hassle even to listen to radio stations. So yeah, but why did they were there? Okay, yeah, you can do it, but they were not 100%. They could give the blessing and leave it there. Well, now you will sort yourself out.
Go ha no tsa mo radiong o tshakela go gae community ene go goela time. Ba re motho a rona ke o tlile o.
Yeah, no, you can say that. Yes.
Ke lebeletse fa wa tla jalo ka go wa re radio a ke tswe jana mo go yone ke mo TV nyanong ke ipulele jalo silence sa ka ke my personal experience go ka feletsa ka gongwe o isimolola o no gona leng ka gongwe mo mogopolong wa gago kana jalo mo tlhaloganyong ya gago o ka isimolola.
Well, I can start by saying it was the first, this radio thing, man, when you are forced to leave, when you become thirsty,
And again, you're open man.
It's this thing, I don't know about you, man, but for me, it's spiritual. You must first talk to your spirit for no, we are living this thing now. And if the spirit doesn't agree, you must do something. So I took a decision of opening my personal experience, my personal experience podcast after the first got to me. And, again, the route that I took, it was me looking at how podcasts were introduced to South Africans. They were told, or rather they were led to believe that a podcast is all about controversy and all those things, which is wrong, So for me, making my personal experience is to, if I can briefly explain it, is to, we look at people that are making a difference in their communities. Whatever you're doing, doesn't matter. As long as you're making a difference, you're looking at people who are making a difference, and then they are not being given recognition, or they are not being celebrated enough. Because, believe you me, the mainstream media is looking for people with numbers. They celebrate people with numbers, or I can say celebrities. So if it's someone else without numbers, someone, like a celebrity and all those things, well, yeah, you can be lucky, they can get to you and give you a platform, but in most cases, they look at people with numbers. So with us, we look at ordinary people who are making a difference, give them platform to tell their story. And the aim behind everything is for people to know that, or rather, it's for us to revive dead or dying dreams. You know, they're dead and they're dying dreams. So we are giving you someone close to you who can motivate you. You know, for me, I think motivation strikes different if you are getting it from someone you can access, someone you know. You see? So we are getting those people that are out there. They are not being given platform, and we give them platform so can talk their personal experience, whatever they're doing, with an intention to inspire upcoming youngsters who are doing the same thing that you would be doing while telling your personal experience.
o tsebile maloba ga ke bona ke tsene ke ke tlo go bua le Thabang ka Frida ga ke bone pele dilo tsa ntse a di dira ke sele morago ke motlhokomele ka ke ipotsa ke a mme batho ba botlhe Thabang sala ba plana last year ke tlo go bua le wena ke ga gore o ntse o ba latelela di-one o lebeletse gore bo ke ne ke bona bo Thatomolosankwe ke one of them ba e leng gore ka gongwe o setse o buile jalo le bone go ka fitlhelela jaanong jaana o setse o gatisitse ka gongwe tse kae Timen?
We are now sitting at 7 episodes. 4 is on air. The 5th one is going to air on Sunday, and then the other one is going to air. This is how we put them on air. The intervals between first Sunday of the month and then last Sunday of the month. That's how we go about putting them on air. And then to come back to your question, well, with Tato, yes, it was long planned because he was the first one. But with this other one, like Makardama Hiking and this and that, you know, you got to listen, you got to read, you got to check who's doing what, where, and everything. And by the way, I'm not doing it alone. I've got, 2 people behind me. There's a guy who's doing technical stuff, DJ Webster is doing technical arrangement, and there's a PR lady, the Togolese is doing the PR arrangement. So we get to sit down and scrutinize, okay, I saw this person, probably, you know, people when they are doing whatever they're doing, in most cases they showcase on Facebook, on Instagram and this and that. And then when we go there and find the news or review and then we arrange, or no, okay, we have a personal experience, that's what we're doing, are you interested? You see? So that is basically how we go about finding people. But we first need to check their profile, because we might find you, Uli Cooper, you are doing whatever you are doing, it's cool, it's inspiring, whatsoever. But the problem becomes your image might be painted, you see? So we don't want people like that. Not in a bad way, but we don't do it people with scandals and whatsoever. Because we are going to give you platform, you speak positive things, but people are going to come and say, but this is the same guy who had who did 1, 2, 3, 4, and we didn't know about them. So it's on us. So before we give you platform, we check your profile, we check your background, we scrutinize, and then we agree that no, this one is proper.
Ke go tla sentla idea ke go ka feletsa bile le protector le yone my personal experience le yone ska feletsa senyega leina.
Yeah, because we are building a very big thing here, my brother. We are building a very big thing, which is an alternative, because we can disagree, you and me, right now, but this traditional radio arrangement is dying. That's one is a fact. 10 years down the line, I will be employing. So we must at all times make sure that the image is protected, so that the public and everyone else can take us serious.
We good
Yeah, I wanted to add that because for people to take you serious, you must first take yourself serious.
Yes. Ke ne ke ra mo dira mmogo le nna mogagabeke ke moga kere o billboard ya botshelo jwa gago ga o tsamaya fa le batho ba se ba go badile gore motho jalo ka gongwe o ntseng jang jaanong ga o ka go tsena ko ga batho o bo sa itshware sentle o bua dipuo tse di sa siamang ba setse ba go bona gore motho e le ka gongwe jalo ga wa siama.
Exactly.
We ikutlwa jang go ka tshela toro ya gago Thabang?
Well, I can say I'm very proud, man. Doing your own thing, making sure that you are creating something that will leave a legacy. I'm not in a competition yet. I was very offended the other day. Someone was comparing me to this other podcaster. I don't like those things, man. When you talk to me about my podcast, leave comparing me to whoever and whoever. I'm doing my own thing, my own way, with my own pace and everything. So come back to your question, I'm very proud. I'm proud of myself, and I believe now I'm doing exactly what God brought me to this world to do. You see, so I'm extremely proud. I'm extremely happy to work on this project.
Go ka fitlhella jaanong jana di-views batho ba ntse ba lebella.
Yeah, well, we are getting views. It's just that we are 2 months old. For now, we are still building a brand.
Yes.
That is what we are doing at the moment. We are still building a brand. Because you remember, with podcasts and YouTube and everything, I can put your video today and it get maybe, let's say, 300 views for the sake. But as time goes on, because those videos are going to be there forever, as time goes on, new people are going to come. Like now, let's make a practical example. Now, I'm going to probably hand out my handles towards the end of the interview. People are going to want to see what is that I'm doing, what is that Thabang is doing, what is happening and everything. So my point is, the views might, when you go there, you might find that we are still getting there with the views. But in the long run, I believe we are gonna come right with the views because we are only 2 months old.
A ke ka le bo dipapatso teamel la di tsenya di advert ka gongwe.
Yeah, we do sell airtime. We are selling airtime. So we've got a rate card that we send out there for people to pick the package that they want. They want the best price, we give them, and we are open to negotiate. We are people who are not fighting. We are trying to build the society. So if you are a businessman, you want to advertise with us, you've got what. As long as your content or whatever that you want to advertise with us is not going to paint us bad, we don't have any problem.
Go na le ngwana o re reditseng ka gongwe wa ko bo Madibe ko tsokwane kwa a re ikhupa ba tlile o bua le rwa go Gauteng a ko bue teameng kana go tswa kae o itse ke ntse ke tshega ke le wan di buang man yeah ay
Gona le confusion that I want to clear. Let's take it from Komahidi. I'll talk about there's a section called Morokweng.
Yes.
That is not where I'm from. Now I'm from Morokweng, a village called Morokweng, far west of okay, let's make it after Friday, Khanyesa, Morokweng. That's where I come from. So when I talk about confusion, it's in terms of some people when you say Morokweng, they think Morokweng. That is not where I come from. I come from Morokweng, the other side, the western side. Okay.
A ke bona bona le phia le re hemisi ba fana ba Morokweng le re tsenetseng. Ba go fitlhella jang mo mafaratlhatlheng teamel.
Okay, on my personal account, Facebook Tabang Godfarati channel, Facebook Tabang Godfarati channel, Facebook, and then on Instagram, Tabang Dika on Instagram, and then for my personal experience on Facebook, we are my personal experience, and then on Instagram, we are my personal experience, and then on YouTube, we are my personal experience, and then you can still get our podcast on Spotify. You can get our podcast on Google Podcast.
Go bukutlong Thabang re all the best and God will do the rest.
Yeah, no, can it right.
Yeah. So se bonang gompieno bona lerato la gage, o bona mosa wa gage mo botshelong jwa gago. Yes.
I believe the time has come.
Ke nako.
Yeah, the time has come.
Adikale. Le bogile teammate.